Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS released, what's new and why it matters. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest release from one of the most popular Linux distributions, Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS. Whether you're a developer, sysadmin, or just a tech enthusiast, this update brings refinements and long-term support improvements worth exploring. Let's break down what's new, who should upgrade, and why this release matters. Now let's talk about the understanding Ubuntu LTS. For those new to Ubuntu, LTS stands for long-term support. These versions are designed for stability, receiving updates and security patches for 5 years, making them ideal for enterprises, servers, and users who prioritize reliability over cutting-edge features. Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS is the second point release in the 24.04 Noble Numbat series, which launched in April 2024. Now let's talk about the key improvements in 24.04.2 LTS. Point releases like 24.04.2 don't introduce major new features but focus on cumulative updates and hardware enablement. Here's what stands out. Updated kernel and drivers. Expect improved hardware compatibility with the latest Linux kernel and graphics stacks, ensuring better performance on newer devices. Security enhancements. All critical patches and bug fixes from the past 6 months are pre-installed, reducing post-installation updates. Software stack refresh. Pre-installed packages like Python, GCC, and desktop tools are updated to their latest stable versions, balancing reliability with modern dependencies. Now let's talk about who should upgrade. New users. If you're installing Ubuntu for the first time, 24.04.2 LTS offers a smoother, more secure out-of-the-box experience. Existing 24.04 users. You're already covered. Regular updates ensure your system stays current. No reinstallation needed. Enterprises. The extended support window ensures predictable, stable environments for critical workloads. Now, let's talk about the installation considerations. Fresh installs. Download the updated ISO for streamlined setup. Upgrading from older LTS. If you're on 22.04 LTS or earlier, plan a phased upgrade to avoid disruptions. Hardware compatibility. The updated kernel, likely 6.8+, ensures better support for newer CPUs, GPUs, and peripherals. Now, let's talk about the community and support. Ubuntu thrives on its open-source community. Resources include official documentation, detailed guides for installation and troubleshooting, forums and chat channels. Get real-time help from experienced users. Custom flavors. Explore Kubuntu, Subuntu, or Ubuntu Studio for tailored desktop experiences. Now, let's talk about the looking ahead. While 24.04.2 focuses on stability, the next major release, Ubuntu 24.10, will arrive in October 2024, targeting early adopters with newer software. For now, 24.04.2 LTS remains the go-to choice for production environments. Now, let's talk about the conclusion. Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS reaffirms Canonical's commitment to delivering a secure, stable platform for everyday users and enterprises alike. Whether you're deploying servers, developing software, or just exploring Linux, this release is a solid foundation. Now, let's talk about how to download the Ubuntu latest version easily and securely. So go to the official Ubuntu official page and download the Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux and open source updates. Let me know in the comments, are you upgrading to 24.042? Thanks for watching and see you next time. And also, I will be posting YouTube Shorts regularly in my channel. You get all Linux information in Shorts. If you don't want to watch full videos, you can watch Shorts and enjoy my content there. Bye!